Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Yaris infotainment system and enabling Bluetooth on your phone. Make sure airplane mode is off. Once done, press the phone or setup button on the dash to open Bluetooth options. Put the system into add device or pairing mode right away so the head unit broadcasts its name. While the car searches, keep the phone within a few feet and close other Bluetooth apps. This reduces interference and speeds discovery, which is why you begin pairing before changing any settings. You'll see the Yaris show up on your phone. Tap it to initiate pairing. Then compare the 4 or 6-digit PIN displayed on both screens and accept on each device. This confirms a secure link. Next, grant permissions for contacts and media so phone calls and audio stream correctly, and set the phone as a priority device if prompted. Make sure to choose media and call audio separately when offered, because one controls music and the other controls hands-free calls. You finish by verifying the link. Play music and place a short test call to confirm both audio streams route through the Yaris. Once confirmed, enable Auto Connect or mark the phone as a favorite so it reconnects when you enter the car. This saves time. If things go wrong, like no audio or repeated drops, remove the pairing on both devices, restart the phone and the car's system, then attempt pairing again. This reset clears cached errors and usually resolves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.